Now let's discuss why MTU and MSS are important. So we can use real world scenario example. For example, imagine you are streaming a video from your favorite online service like YouTube or Netflix. Let's see how MTU and MSS are help ensure you have a smooth viewing experience without buffering or interruption. So now MTU in action, like for example, you are at home using your home Wi-Fi to stream a video. So the video data is sent in a package from a streaming server to your device. Okay, this is the example scenario. Now let's understand the importance of MTU. So think of MTU as a size limit of each of this packet. For example, the standard MTU size of many network in 1500 bytes. Okay, so if packet are too big, they need to be split into smaller pieces to fit through a different part of networks, which can be slow thing down and cause a buffering as well as. Now let's discuss about the MSS in action. So in example situation, like when your device connected to streaming server, they are agree on how big the data chunk MSS should be inside the each packet. So importance of MSS, like MSS ensure that the data chunks are small into fit within the MTU size. So leaving a room for other information that help the packet travel, like addresses and interaction, we can say that. So MTU, this is the data chunk. Okay, so data chunk means MSS value, or in simple diagram, you can say here inside the data packet. Uh, okay, TCP segment, TCP data. So this is the MSS value. Okay, so for standard MTU like 1500 byte and MSS typically we have to exclude the header. So IP header, TCP header, so 1460 bytes. Okay, so this help the video data travel smoothly without needing to be split or preventing the interruption. Okay, so if what happen if incorrect MTU setting or incorrect MSS setting. So if MTU is too high, packet might be split along the way. This can cause a delay, buffering, making your video stop or start. Incorrect MSS setting, like if the MSS is too large, the data chunk won't fit within the packet, within the MTU value, so causing them to be split, which can be also lead to be buffering or interruption. Okay, so if within the proper MTU and MSS size, the video data is sent to well-sized packet that travel efficiently, giving you smooth and high-quality streaming experience. So by understanding this and correctly this setting in MTU and MSS, network admin or service provider to ensure that data travels smoothly, uh, enhancing our experience in real world application like video streaming.